In today's video, I'll put you through on how to save Excel file, okay, on OneDrive from your iPhone. Let's get into it. To upload Excel on OneDrive using an iPhone, the first step is for you to install OneDrive app, okay, OneDrive Mobile on your iPhone through the App Store, all right? Which after that, tap on the app to open. You may need to log in if you are not logged in automatically. Then after that, you will find yourself on this interface. Please ensure that you select My Files tab, okay? That's My Files menu item. That will give you access to files and folders you have here, okay, in your account. Then after that, tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. On tapping on the plus sign, select Upload. Now you are given some options. Select Browse because this will open the Files app of your iPhone automatically. Alright, I'm dropped on Word, which is a folder I created on my iPhone location. So, but that's not where the Excel file is. So I will tap on my iPhone. On tapping there, I'm taken to the major on my iPhone location. If maybe the file is in another location, please tap on Browse and select that location to upload it. Okay, or in a folder, tap on the folder depending on the apps that are installed on your iPhone. Okay, so now you may navigate to the Excel file and tap on it for it to be uploaded. But if you have so many files here that makes it difficult for you to upload, there's a way to do that. Okay, and that way to do that is by utilizing the search. Okay, tap inside the search box there at the top. Okay, then type Excel extension, which is XLSL XX. Okay, so this will bring up some files that are Excel in Excel format. All right, so tap on one which you want to upload on the account, and it is uploading, and the file is done uploading, meaning that it is available on my OneDrive account at this point. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, okay? So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will spread this video to more people. Thank you and see you some other time.